Squishy Universe. Oh yeah, your Squishy Universe ticket. Come on, get your Universe ticket. Hey, get your Squishy Universe ticket. We're gonna go to Squishy Universe. Come on, change your clothes. You just came from school.
Look, I changed my mommy and
Come on, let's go to Squishy Universe. We already have a pumpkin dumpling squishy.
Yeah.
I used to have a dumpling squishy, but it popped. I could prove it. I put my pumpkin squishy in here. I can prove it. This is the dumpling squishy's case. Come on, Sissy. Let's go.
Bye, baby.
Sissy, that's your homework. Come on, let's go to Squishy Universe.
Oh,
Wait, Sissy, come on, sweetie. We have to drive. We have arrived. Come on, let's go. Okay, good girl, by scanning the ticket, okay? Squishy Universe has a lot of squishies. Look at this. Look at the butter squishy. I want to buy this.
what about my universe size squishy?
Yeah, the top says Squishy Universe. It really doesn't, but we're just playing.
What?
This is Yardana's room. Yardana's room.
Yeah. Look,
I'll go get a bag, okay?
baby squishy.
I'm gonna go get a bag. Okay, Sissy, I got a bag, sweetie.
Can you buy my phone?
No, Sissy, come on, let's.
No, that is
Hey, which squishies do you want? We're gonna buy squishies. Which one do you want? Put it in the bag.
that one.
More?
And
The big fat needle. This little.
my favorite
Squishy.
cupcake.
No cupcake. Kate, it's too big.
Okay.
We already have a big squishy. And then this.
And
This
we have
gun
a
drop.
cupcake. Wait, my birthday, let's give it to my friend who.
And don't forget the butter squishy.
Okay. I like unicorn go to this.
No more squishies. Too much. Let's leave some for the other people.
Mommy, wait.
Come on. Oh yeah, I need to pay.
Like this.
Get your ticket. No, this one's my room set. What is wrong with you? Only squishies buying, okay? Okay, scan ticket. Doot. Here. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye, Rabbi. Fine.
Go home now.
Okay. Let's go back to our house.
Bye.
Come on. Let's set our squishies.